Hello and thanks for stopping by. I wanted to make this short video today because I know that many businesses are struggling, and for many, banks simply aren't of much help anymore. Now, there are so many companies out there who are advertising business loans, it can be really difficult to know where to start and, more importantly, who to trust. If you're looking for a business loan, whether it's to buy equipment or simply manage cash flow, it's important to realize that it's not a one size fits all playing field. So it's important that you have the right information from the start so that you can make the best possible decision for your situation. If you are looking for a business loan, we can help you get anywhere from $10,000 up to $250,000 if you meet these four criteria. First, your business must be located in the United States. Second, you must have been in business for at least 1 year. Third, your business must generate a yearly revenue of at least $100,000. And fourth, your business cannot be related to real estate or to finance. If you meet these criteria, there is a 95% chance that we can help you get funding. And all it takes to get started is to fill out a very short 2-page application. There are no application fees, and there are no personal guarantees in order to actually get funded. This is also important. There will not be a credit check ran on the application. So there is no credit risk to you to fill out the application form. Your application will be processed very fast, usually within 1 to 2 business days, and you can actually get funding anywhere from 2 to 5 business days. So that is money in your account in anywhere from 2 to 5 business days. And that's it. So now what? Well, I know this all sounds well and good, and I also know that you're going to have some questions. So the next step is to either click the link below this video, or if you found this video on my website, there's going to be a little box to fill out your name and email address. And either way, that'll take you right to that 2-page application. Go ahead and fill that out, and once you submit that, you're going to receive a call from us right away and get all of your questions answered. There is no big sales pitch here, and you'll simply get your questions answered, and we'll go from there. I hope that this information has helped, and again, there's no risk to fill out the application and talk to us. Thanks so much for your time. I really hope that we can help you out. So just either click the link below the video or go ahead and fill out the box to the side of the website.